I was injured in a car wreck. What steps should I take? The attorneys at NP Law explain. If you are injured in a car wreck, first step, call 911. If you're injured, get appropriate medical attention. If you're severely injured, wait for the ambulance to take you to the hospital. Even if you believe that you are not injured, call 911. The police will arrive at the scene and make a report of the collision. If capable, you should take photos of the scene and collect information, such as the other party's driver's license and insurance information. If you're able, speak to any witnesses and get their name and telephone number. It's important to pay attention to your injuries. Too often, clients call or look for an attorney before they've had a chance to take care of themselves. If you're ever in a car collision, the number one goal is to get as close to being 100% physically better. For more information on auto accidents in California, an initial consultation is your next best step. Get the information and legal answers you are seeking by calling us today or visiting our website at www.nplaw.la.